It's windy.
Recenter gimbal pan.
It's like really windy. I'm trying to get it to come this way a bit.
High wind velocity. Fly with caution.
Wind speed is 50, and we're doing 35. This is a fucking beast. It's nice. But all of a sudden it's not doing so great on battery. Let's take it down a little bit.
How's my stomach?
You okay?
It's just not good.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's free flowing. The Horse River is definitely flowing.
High wind velocity. Fly with caution.
Not good.
What?
The wind is like 54 kilometers an hour hitting it sideways.
Just be careful.
Oh yeah, no. We switch to the zoom lens. Oh yeah, look at that. Lots of open water. It's either open or like there's really thin ice. We should go over there and fly from there. From the interchange. That's a different view, eh, with the zoom. Lots of gulls. Gulls are... What's that bouncing? Oh my god, look at all the gulls.
SD card full.
What? Shit, do I have more?
The sun is coming off your screen and on my eyes. Look at it. Keep moving. But you keep moving it, so. Some fighting going on over there about those geese.
Well, lots of water here too.
I don't think it's melted all the way down because I was watching those seagulls walk on the water.
Mm-hmm.
So they're not Jesus.
They're not Jesus.
There's ice underneath there.
Yeah, still lots of wind too. Yeah, some water, and you got runoff from Macon in there too, it looks like. And then this Snye has a couple of channels. Alright, hopefully it doesn't scare those geese. Yeah, it's open water. Well, let's hope it...
It's not very deep there anyway.
No, I hope we don't get like a big rush of water, because that would definitely cause a jam of some kind. I don't know. You okay?
Mm-hmm.